Okay, so still on color codes, we want to look at the hexadecimal today. Okay, so in the last video we spoke about the RGB. So today we are going to be looking at the hexadecimal in this video. Okay, so uses the hexadecimal numbers uses 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, so to represent the RGB colors, right? Good. So the syntax is each 6. Okay, so double R, double G, and double B. Okay, so you know the R represents red, the G represents green, and the B represents blue. Okay, good. So the density of each that you want will determine how you place them. Okay, so for us to have red, okay, we want to use FF, then we are going to leave the rest at 0. Okay, good. So we are using FF because we said the numbers are represented from 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, F is the highest. Remember when we were doing the RGB, we wanted to use R, which is red. We increased it to 255. We made it 255. Okay, good. So if you have not watched that video, try to look for that video on our page. Okay, so here also we're going to be using the FF because it's the highest. So we want to take it to the, I want to take R to the highest. So that's why we want to use FF first. Then the others will be 00. Okay, let's go and practicalize that. So from our VS Code, we can see that what we have here, let's clear off our RGB code. Okay, so let's save this and let's see what we have. So we have our black color, right? Good. So now we want to use our hexadecimal style, right? Hexadecimal value. Okay, so we're going to declare our style attribute. Okay, style. Okay, so then we want to use our color. Okay, so now if you note that from here, it has to carry this hash like symbol. Okay, very, very important. It needs to carry that hash symbol. Okay, so we're going to put our hash. Okay, so we want to have red. Okay, remember that we are using RGB to display our colors. Okay, so because we want to have red, we have to take R, which is the first, to the highest. Okay, so I'm going to be using FF. Okay, then 0000. Okay, so as we said here, okay, that the syntax is usually 6. Okay, so still using our RGB, for it to be complete, for it to be up to 6, that means each will have to come twice. So R will come twice, G will come twice, then B will also come twice. Okay, so that's RGB. Okay, good. So then we are going to have our FF, our OO, then our